Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Raju. Today, I am going to talk about um, intake intake system, sensor system, emission system. Let Let's get started. Started. Background. Modern Phoenix plates are required re- required to deliver high engine performance while maintaining fuel efficiency and low exhaust emission to achieve test goals. Engine system are designed to work in an integrated manner toward, toward the intake system, sensor system, and emission control system. Intake system, main component number one, uh, air air filter, intake manifold, throttle body, intake valve. Main fun, function to number one to supply clean air to the combustion chamber to regulate the amount of air entering the engine to support efficient combustion. Next, working pretty pretty simple. Pretty simple. Outside air is filtered by the air filter and the flows through the intake manifold. The throttle body controls the volume of air based on throttle pedal piston. Next, sensor system. Main component uh, mass airflow, MIFC sensor, manifold absolute pressure, MIP sensor, throttle position sensor, TPS, oxygen sensor, main function to monitor engine operating condition in real time to provide accurate data to the HU. Next, to optimize engine performance and fuel efficiency. Nice. Working pretty simple. Sensor measure parameters such as airflow, intake pressure, throttle position, and oxygen content in the exhaust gases. Emission control system. Emission control system main component exhaust gas re recirculation E IGR valve catalytic converter positive crankshaft ventilation VCV valve main function to reduce harmful exhaust emission, to control the performance of an NOx, NOx, CO, and HC gases, to meet environmental emission standards. Working pretty simple. A portion of exhaust exhaust gas is recirculated back into the intake system through the AGR valve to lower combustion temperature. The catalytic convert harmful gases into less harmful substances, while the VCV system redirects crankcase gases back into the intake system to be burned rather than released into the atmosphere. Next, main working process intake system. Outside air enters through the air filter. The air filter removes dust and contaminants. Air passes through the throttle body, which regulates airflow. Airflow through the intake manifold. Air enters the cylinder through the intake valve for combustion. The inspection procedure checks the condition of the air filter for dirt or block. Inspect intake hoses and vacuum lines for leaks. Checks the throttle body for carbon buildup. Ensure the intake manifold is not cracked or leaking. Maintenance: clean or replace the air filter periodically. Clean the throttle body according to the service schedule. 13 or replace the maggot vacuum hose. Sensor system main working process. Sensor detect engine operating condition. Sensor data is sent to the ICU. The ICU process the data. The ICU adjusts fuel injection and ignition timing. Optimal combustion is achieved. Inspection procedure: scan the system using an OBD BD scanner. Check sensor connection and wiring, verify sensor reading, engine specification, identity dirty or faulty sensor, maintenance, clean the MIV sensor using a detected cleaner. Keep sensor connector clean and dry. Replace sensor if readings are inaccurate. Emission control system. Next, emission control system. Main working process. Main working process. Exhaust gases exit the combustion chamber. Portion of exhaust gas is recirculated through the AGR system. Exhaust gases pass through the catalytic converter. Harmful gases are converted into less harmful substances. Crankshaft gases are routed back through the VCV system. Inspection procedure. Check the EGR valve for sticking or malfunction. Inspect the catalytic converter for blockade. Check the PCV valve for clogging. Observe exhaust color and odor. Maintenance, clean or replace the EGR valve is necessary to see high quality fuel to reduce deposits. Perform regular emission system servicing. Troubleshooting intake troubleshooting sensor, problem engine operation is unstable and the check engine light is on. Analysis of possible causes dirty or faulty MIV or MIV or MIP sensor. Inaccurate signal from the TPS. Weak or failing oxygen O2 sensor. Inspection step. Scan the ICU using an OBD scanner. Identify diagnostic trouble context. Inspect sensor wiring and connectors. Recommended corrective action. Clean the MIV sensor with a dedicated cleaner. Repair damaged wiring or connector. troubleshooting. eh, Troubleshooting emission control system. Exhaust gas has a strong odor and fuel consumption increases. Analysis of possible causes. Causes. AGR valve stuck open, clogged, or damaged catalytic converter, blocked PCV valve, inspection step, checks check AGR valve operation, inspect the catalytic converter for blockade. Examine the condition of the PCV valve. Recommended corrective action: clean or replace the AGR valve, replace the catalytic converter if damage get clean or replace the PCV valve. Conclusion: aside on the discussion, it can be concluded the intake sensor and emission sensor, intake sensor and emission system are essential and hig- highly highly integrated component in modern Phoenix Phoenixly Phoenix engines. The intake system ensures a clean and sufficient air supply for efficient combustion. While, while the sensor system provides real-time engine data that enables the ECU to precisely control fuel injection and ignition timing. Meanwhile, the emission control system play play manual the emission control system play a crucial role in reducing harmful exhaust gases to meet environmental standards. According to HIMUD 2018, airflow quality and accurate combustion control work are key factors that determine the performance and efficiency of internal combustion engine. This highlights the importance of properly functioning intake and sensor system. Furthermore, Robert Bosch GmbH 2018 status the that the interaction of electronic engine management and emission control system is fundamental to production efficient and environmentally mentally friendly Phoenix list. In ad, addition, Stone 2012 M have seized that emission control system are vital in minimi, minimizing the negative impact of motor vehicles on human health and the confront and the environment. 3. 4. Regular inspection and maintenance of the intake sensor and emission system are essential. Recommendation intake system. Number 1, perform regular cleaning and replacement of the air filter to prevent airflow restriction. Number 2, inspect intake hoses and vacuum lines for leaks or cracks. Perawatan intake yang baik menjaga suplai udara optimal dan mencegah penurunan tenaga mesin. Next, sensor system. Number 1, conducts regular sensor inspection using an OBD scanner. Number 2, clean the MIV sensor with a dedicated cleaner the maintain accurate reading. Sensor yang terawat memastikan ECU bekerja presisi dan efisiensi bahan bakar tetap optimal. Emission system. Inspect and clean the AGR valve to prevent carbon related sticking. Use high quality fuel to protect the catalytic converter. Perawatan sistem emisi penting untuk menekan polusi dan menjaga performa mesin. Next, recommendation. Highwall ZB 2018 Internal Combustion Engine Fundamental MCG Raw Hill Education. Referensi utama untuk prinsip kerja mesin pembakaran dalam, sistem intake, dan proses pembakaran. Next, Robert Bosch GmbH BH 2018 Bosch Automotive Handbook. Rujukan standar internasional tentang sensor kendaraan, ECU, dan sistem emisi. Arjevic J. N. Thompson R. 2016 Automotive Technology System Approach Changing Learning menjelaskan sistem kendaraan secara terintegrasi termasuk intake, sensor, dan emission control. Next, Stone R. Induction to internal combustion engine Playgriff Macmillan membahas emisi gas buang dan dampaknya terhadap lingkungan. Pulkrabik W. 2014 engineering fundamentals of the internal combustion engine. Peer- Pearson Education, referensi teknis tentang aliran udara, efisiensi, volumetric, eh, performa mesin. Next, uh, in closing, short closing of the topic, intake, sensor, and emission, emission sensor, emission sensor. Uh, Thank you for listening. Listening. I am happy to ans answer any question. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.